Hello, my name is Freddie Bailey, student 189873 with Columbia Southern University. My mini project is going to be in reference to something that we deal on a normal daily basis here in the Army with sexual assault, sexual harassment. I felt that this is an outstanding topic for me to talk about because I know many civilians might think that we do not have these ongoing problems in the Army when we do. With myself being an equal opportunity rep and a SHARP representative and also a master resiliency trainer in the Army, this is an ongoing battle. We're constantly doing training. Um, One would think that we deploy with individuals, we sleep with them, we live with them, work with them on a daily basis, eat with them while away from their families, that one would be able to trust one. So the Army's overall goal is to eradicate this, completely get rid of sexual harassment cases in the Army. So the new goal for us is to not only get rid of it, but take this straight to trial by court martial, like it would be in the civilian sector. If somebody was sexually harassed or assaulted, you will go straight to trial and end up in jail. So, Sergeant Major of the Army, Daly, excuse me, that's his overall goal. The Chief of Staff, the President, is an ongoing battle and it's a constant fight. So I would ask of you all to stay tuned to what's going on in the Army. And I know a lot of you don't hear about it quite too often, but this is a serious incident of what we have going on, as well as human resources issues as well that's still ongoing in the United States military. But it's not everybody, it's only a select few. As we always know, a few bad apples spoil it for the bunch. Thank you for your time.